right, so this is our prepared area. It's about 55 square metres. Did all the irrigation in here. We've got a hunter node and 2 zones. Beautiful, all good. Filled up, he's gone 100 mil down and filled it up with nice sandy loam, and we've given it a nice little bit of sand on the top dress just to even it out. And now we've got the stuff, and we're going to do it. Let's do it, hey?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, so first things first, I'm going to lay, there's no real wrong or right way to do it, but I'm going to go along the line of here and then go along there. The trick with it is that you don't want to be standing on the lawn as little as possible. I mean, really we should do down the other side, but this is the straightest edge. You're going to go here and build it up like a brick. Don't walk on it, and then we'll fill in all the gaps afterwards. All right.
So I can't see in the sun.
Yeah, that's okay, Heidi. Let's go check out the lawn. It's around here. Follow me. We've got TifTuf from Sunnyside. Beautiful stuff. Ordered on the Monday, arrived on the Wednesday, so pretty good. And the cool thing about Sunnyside is they do these little mats. They're quite easy to handle, and the way you hold them is like a dress. That's right.
Remember 2 years
easiest
ago?
way.
Oh, sorry, can I ask? Remember 2 years ago when we did the lawn at my school, at the senior area?
Yeah, same thing. Same company. That's right.
Years ago, wasn't it?
Was. All right, so we'll just put our first one down, coming down here, Heidi. So I'm just going to line this one up with the edge, right? Like so.
And there should be no gaps at all.
There's no gaps. But we'll just do it like that. So that's our first one. I haven't covered the sprinkler. We'll just put some little bits in there, and we'll go from there, all along there. And then we'll start coming back and we'll cut as we need. All right, cool.
Lay down your mats and make sure that the edges are together. When it comes to obstacles such as sprinklers, lay your mat over the obstacle and then cut to suit. Cut some small pieces to fill in the gaps as you go. Larger obstacles such as this irrigation box, you can do them straight away, or you can just leave the gap and fill them in later, and that's what I chose to do this time. With edges, just lay your mat across it and then cut to suit. And rather luckily on this occasion, the cut bit fit into the next bit really nicely. Build your area up in a brick pattern just so that the edges don't match up, and that way you don't get any ruts in your lawn. And then it's just a matter of filling in your edges and your little bits you haven't done, just with some offcuts, and it's all good.
We've got that down, and what we'll do now is we'll water it in, and after the watering in, Pete's going to do a roll with it and then water it in again about an hour later, and then we'll set it for 3 times a day, 10 minutes, 7 a.m, 12 p.m, 4 p.m for the next week, just to make sure that this doesn't run out of water. And we've got some pretty hot days coming, it'll survive that. So let's give it its first water, which is about 20 minutes water. That will be turned on in a sec. Here it is.
There we go. There we go. Good. Here we go.
You feel like standing under it.
Yeah.